Hey everyone, today we're talking about school life. Let's begin.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
What time do you finish school?
I finish school at 3 p.m.
Do you like school?
Not really, it's okay, but it can be a bit boring sometimes.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Miss Smith.
Here is your school.
My school is in the city centre.
Do you take the bus to school?
No, I walk to school.
Is your school big or small?
My school is big.
Where's your classroom?
It's on the second floor.
What do you do after school?
After school, I usually go to the library.
Do you sit in the front of the class?
No, I usually sit in the back.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I always take notes during lessons.
Do you listen to the teacher?
Most of the time, but sometimes I get distracted.
Do you understand the lessons?
Yes, I understand them.
What do you do if you don't understand?
I ask for help when I need it.
Who do you sit next to in class?
I sit next to my friend Jack.
Which subject do you find most difficult?
I find math the most difficult subject.
What do you enjoy most about school?
I enjoy spending time with my friends.
What do you do during?
I play outside with my friends.
Who helps you with your homework?
My parents help me with my homework.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English every day.
What subjects do you study?
I study math, English, science, and art.
Do you like science?
Yes, especially when we do experiments.
Do you have many friends at school?
I have a few really close friends.
Do you sit with your friends at lunch?
Yes, I sit with them at lunch.
Do you do homework with your friends?
Sometimes, but I prefer doing it alone.
Do you play with your friends after school?
Not every day, but we play soccer on weekends.
Do you visit your friends' houses?
Yes, I visit them on weekends.
What time is lunch?
Lunch starts at 12 o'clock.
How long is each class?
Each class is 45 minutes long.
What's your first class of the day?
My first class is English.
When does the school day end?
It ends at 3 p.m.
What's your last class of the day?
My last class is math.
How many breaks do you have?
We have 2 breaks.
When do you have gym class S?
I have gym on Wednesdays.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 3:15 p.m.
That's my school life.
What about you?
Tell us in the comments below.
Do you like your school life?